You ever go out to dinner with that one friend who casually orders the $48 steak, adds a $16 cocktail, and says, "Let's just split it evenly"? And you're sitting there like, "I got the chicken," but you still Venmo $62 because you don't want to look broke. Yeah, that's the rich friend effect. My name is Eric, and I spend way too much time thinking about why we make dumb money decisions around other people. If you're someone who feels pressure to spend just to keep up, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Here's the thing. A study from the Journal of Consumer Research found that people spend significantly more when they're around higher income peers, not because they want the item, but because they want the status alignment. Translation? It's not about the steak, it's about belonging. And look, the Federal Reserve reports that nearly 37% of Americans can't cover a $400 emergency without borrowing, yet we'll drop $120 on a night out to avoid feeling less successful. That's wild. Now let's do simple math. If you overspend by just $150 a month trying to keep up, that's $1,800 a year. Invested at 8% for 20 years, that's over $82,000. $82,000 for vibes. Here's what most people don't realize. Money decisions are emotional before they're mathematical. Your brain values social acceptance more than financial security, at least in the short term. This is where it gets really interesting. High earners don't actually spend to impress you, but average earners overspend trying to impress them. That gap creates quiet financial stress. Now you might be thinking, okay, Eric, so I just stop hanging out with my rich friends? No. Instead, set a social spending budget, suggest lower cost activities, be the first to say, let's just pay for what we ordered. Confidence is cheaper than debt. Look, wealth isn't about matching someone else's lifestyle. It's about building your own. Stop financing appearances. Start investing in peace. I'll see you in the next one.